Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 2nd, 2025, we're breaking down Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We're not just looking at the charts today, but also diving into the latest news and events that could impact Litecoin's price action. We'll be synthesizing news and chart data to get a clear picture. First, let's quickly recap the news. Recent searches reveal discussions around a potential Litecoin ETF, analyst price predictions reaching as high as $1,200 by 2030, and a recent decoupling from Bitcoin in terms of open interest. Now, let's move on to the daily chart. Overall, we see a lot of volatility over the past year. Looking at the daily candles, we can see a climb from around $70 at the end of November 2023, up to about $110 by April 1st, 2024. It looks like there was significant movement between March and April of 2024. Then a big crash back down to $70 and continuing downward trend until nearly bottoming out around $60 in July and trading mostly flat until another rally upward. Let's zoom in on some of the more recent action to see what's going on. Looking at the most recent candles of March 2025, we see a jump to nearly 110 again, then more recently a downward trend to where we are today. As the news implies, open interest is still high, so sentiment remains positive, although that may not be reflected in the recent price. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart for a closer look at the most recent price action. If we narrow down the view on the hourly chart, we can see there is quite a bit of chop recently, with no clear trend. We'll examine it more closely. We can look for some key support and resistance levels here. It looks like the 84 level is acting as a support. If this support breaks, we could see a move down to the $80 range, revisiting some of the August 2024 lows as the news mentioned is possible. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see that there isn't a whole lot of conclusive movement during the most recent trading day. Given the short-term volatility, it's hard to be strongly bullish or bearish. If the 84 support holds and we see sustained upward momentum, a push towards 90 or even 95 is possible. If we break through 84, a fall towards the 80 level seems likely. To recap, key price levels to watch are the 84 support and the 90 resistance. A break above 90 with strong volume would be bullish, while a break below 84 would signal further downside. Given the neutral signals, my unbiased prediction is that Litecoin will likely remain range-bound between 80 and 90 in the short term. Keep an eye out for any news regarding a Litecoin ETF, as this could be a major catalyst for a breakout. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.